Hi everyone, I'm Ashfaq. In this video, I'm going to show you iPhone 12 Pro how to factory reset your phone. And first of all, open your phone. First of all, go to the setting and click the general and swipe down and transfer or reset iPhone. Click and erase all content setting and continue. Erase phone and type your phone passcode 0. Okay. Your phone is now completely factory reset. If you try this method, your data always delete, photos, videos always delete. Your phone is done. Normally set up your phone and connect to the Wi-Fi. If you like my video, can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. See you, bye next video.